NASA scientists were reviewing routine deep space data when something appeared on their screens that made the room go silent. Inside a black hole, something was moving. That wasn't supposed to be possible. According to everything we know, a black hole is the final stop. Once something crosses the event horizon, it never comes back. No signals, no motion, no information, just collapse into nothing. But this data didn't look like nothing. It came from a distant black hole being monitored indirectly through gravitational waves and radiation distortions. At first, the team thought it was a sensor glitch, then a calibration error, then background noise from another object passing nearby. They re-ran the data. The movement was still there. Not random, not chaotic. It was rhythmic, a subtle shift in energy patterns, repeating at precise intervals, like something inside the black hole was circling. The problem was simple and terrifying. Nothing should be able to move inside a black hole. As the data was cross-checked with other observatories, the pattern became clearer. The distortion wasn't coming from outside the event horizon. It was originating from within it, from a place where space and time are supposed to end. Some scientists suggested an exotic explanation, that the black hole might contain a structure formed from collapsed dimensions. Others whispered about theoretical objects like gravitational echoes or unknown states of matter. But a smaller group noticed something far more unsettling. The movement wasn't just repeating, it was changing. The intervals slowly shortened, as if whatever was inside was accelerating or approaching something. Then, briefly, the pattern aligned into a sequence that looked eerily intentional, almost like a signal trying to push through a wall that was never meant to be crossed. NASA never officially confirmed the finding. The dataset was quietly reclassified. Access was restricted. Public statements described it as anomalous readings with no scientific significance, but internal notes told a different story. One line stood out. Observed behavior contradicts all known models of black hole physics. In other words, reality blinked. If something can move inside a black hole, then maybe black holes aren't the end. Maybe they're doors, or containers, or places where the universe hides things it doesn't want us to understand yet. And if something inside that black hole is moving, the question is no longer, what is it? The real question is it trying to get out?